Mr. Wijnands, in general, how would you characterize the results of the final quarter of 2014?
Well, we are pleased with the results of the fourth quarter. Actually, they complete what I would say has been a very solid year for Aegon. In terms of net income, which has been up 38% to 1.2 billion euro, in terms of sales, which have grown very significantly in all our key markets, but also in terms of a strong capital position. And therefore pleased that we're able to announce a final dividend of 12 cents per share, which brings our total dividend for the year to 23 cents a share, which is a 5% increase compared to the previous year.
Returning to the fourth quarter, what were the highlights?
Well, the fourth quarter has shown very strong underlying earnings in all our key markets. It's shown a continuation of our sales momentum. And as a result of this, we're seeing a return on equity in the fourth quarter of 9.7%.
You mentioned sales growth. Could you tell us what is driving that trend?
Well, last quarter we have seen our sales growing by 22% compared to the previous year. Let me start with deposits. Our deposits have grown by 29%. This is mainly driven by an increase in sales in our asset management business, third party in particular, our pension business in the US, and our variable annuity business. Each of these businesses have been grown in the continuation of the strong momentum we have seen in the previous quarters. Our life business also has grown significantly with over 9% compared to the previous year. And our health business, in particular in the US, has grown by 14%. This is the result of the strategy we've implemented, which has been focusing on adding distribution, getting closer to our customers, connecting with our customers. And we are particularly pleased with these results because they show clear evidence of the fact that more and more customers are putting their trust in Aegon.
Mr. Wijnands, you also announced a new partnership between Aegon and La Banque Postale. Could you comment?
Aegon and La Banque Postale have agreed a joint venture in asset management. And as a result of this, Aegon Asset Management will take a 25% stake in La Banque Postale Asset Management. The agreement is that we will jointly manufacture a broad range of products which will be distributed to the 11 million customers of La Banque Postale. And we're particularly pleased with this joint venture because I think it's a very clear recognition of the strength and the quality of our own asset management business.
2015 has only just started, but could you give us your outlook on the remainder of the year?
Well, it's clear that we operate in what is a very challenging environment. Financial markets remain volatile. The political situation in the world is volatile. Economies are improving in certain parts, less in other parts. And we are particularly affected by the persistent low interest rate environment in which we operate. Having said that, Aegon has taken in the past significant steps to strengthen our capital position, to improve our efficiencies, also to get closer to our customers. And that makes me really confident that we are well positioned to take advantage of the many opportunities that we have in all our markets in which we operate to address the increasing needs of our customers.
Thank you, Mr. Wijnands, for joining us today.